It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. Total lang tatapang nyo sa Quadcom eh. Total lang tatapang nyo sa Quadcom eh. Oo. Eh pag dito sa television eh, mukhang di ko maintindihan na...
Of course, mayor ka naman, lawmaker naman sila. Magkakaroon ho ba ng pagkakataon na...
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
Is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. They wanted rules are put in order. And it's applicable to everyone. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No. Not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's how
because that
serious
is a
you are.
commitment.